A wire secured at one end with the other end fastened to a pole under tension is known as which of the following? A service drop. In order to correct a low power factor, which of the following should be checked first? Inductive load. If the power factor of a circuit is increased, then which of the following occurs? The reactive power is decreased. Circuits that are running in series have a total resistance equal to the sum of all the resistors. Illumination is measured in which of the following units? Lumens.